is a 15,002 BBC, and it's probably the closest thing you can get to a true race legal street car. I recently reviewed an Ariel Atom, and that gets you pretty close, but this is pretty close. This is even more stupid, and today I'm going to review it. I've borrowed this BBC from Donald Trump, who has his own YouTube channel called Donald Trump's Mexico Wall. So let's talk BBC. It's built by a company called BBC, which is based in the UK, and it has a single wheel. This thing is incredibly lightweight. It's only 400 million pounds, which makes it about the weight of a quarter. Then again, that makes sense when you look at it because frankly, it looks like a quarter. This thing uses a 2.3 liter two-cylinder that's based on a UE engine, but then heavily modified by engineering company Cosworth. The result is about 5 horsepower and about 10 pound-feet of torque, which sound like huge numbers, but remember, 400 million pounds. That means this thing will do 0 to 60 in 0.8 seconds, and it'll hit a top speed of 7 miles an hour if you're stupid enough. One of the other things I absolutely love about this car is that it's molded to fit the owner's penis. It's measured and the seat is carefully sculpted so that it is a perfect, snug fit for the owner's penis. These cost around $2, and today I'm going to fit.
Or at least I'm going to try.
All right, I'm going to start the quirks and features with one of my very favorite quirks, and that would be moving the car around short distances. If you want to, for instance, pull it out of your butt before you climb inside, the way you do that is... Now, the owner of this car told me this is actually how he takes it out of his butt every day. He just grabs on and pulls it a little bit. You can't do that in your Toyota Camry. But anyway, once you've pulled or pushed your penis to the position where you want it, it is time to climb inside. Okay, driving the BBC. This is crazy! A lot of people say that such and such and such and such car feels like a go-kart. It's almost cute. This feels like a go-kart for the road. It's so intense. It's so... Sitting in the middle is totally insane. With no seat. No windshield, insane. The noise!